Please welcome up Karen Novi one more time to help us out here. And Andreas on drums really adds a lot to our music.
And Chris Whitenack on piano and vocal.
Yeah, thank you. This is a little song by Jackson Browne. There is a little bit of Christian music, Christian references here in this tune, and a little bit of 70s language, which some of you will understand. Some of you will go, wow, that was a long time ago. Oh, people, look around you. The signs are everywhere. You're waiting for somebody other than you to be the one to care. You're lost inside your houses now. There's no time to find you now. While your walls are turning and your towers are burning, gonna leave you here, try to get down to the sea somehow. The road is filled with homeless souls, every woman, child, and man, who have no idea where they will go, but they'll help you if they can. Now everyone must have some thought that's gonna help them pull through somehow. While the fires are raging hotter and hotter, the sisters of the sun are gonna rock me on the water now. Rock me on the water. Sister, will you soothe my fevered brow? Oh, yeah, rock me on the water. I'll get down to the sea somehow. I'll get down to the sea somehow. Oh, people, look among you. It's there your hope must lie. There's a seabird above you, guiding in one place, like Jesus in the sky. Now everyone must have some thought, and they know to do the best somehow. When my life is over, I will stand before the Father, but the sisters of the sun are gonna rock me on the water now. Rock me on the water. Sister, will you soothe my fevered brow? Oh, rock me on the water. Maybe I'll remember. Maybe I'll remember how. Rock me on the water. With me now. Rock me on the water. I'll get down to the sea somehow. I'll get down to the sea somehow. Rock me on the water. Ooh, rock me now. Ooh, rock me on the water. Ooh, maybe I'll remember. Maybe I'll remember how. Rock me on the water. Yeah, rock me on the water. Rock me now. Oh, rock me on the water. Rock me on the water. Rock me on the water. I'll get down to the sea somehow. Yeah, I'll get down to the sea somehow.